Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to see a new question, and this question was asked in FIS Global, and I faced this question in technical interview. So before going to that question, I will suggest you that go to our previous 3 videos and you will find their file handling, split and slicing operations. If you have the knowledge of these, this question will be quite easy for you. So let's get started and see what was the question. Basically the question was mixed type. It had a file handling, it has a split and slicing function. Also, you should be familiar with dictionary data structure of Python. So what was the question? I will tell you. We were given a txt file, and this file contains 2 or 3 paragraphs. So I have made an example. This is hello.txt is my file, and there are 2 paragraphs as you can see. So basically what we have to do is that we have to count the most occurring word in this file. We have to count the most occurring word in this file and also the frequency of that particular word. So this was the question. So for that, what we have used is that dictionary. We have made a dictionary. Why we made a dictionary? Because it is easy to calculate. It is easy to count the frequency since we use key value pair here. So key will be the that word and its value will be the number of word that it had appear. So I will tell you in a brief how to solve this question. Since we have it different paragraph, first we have to access the file. Once we are in the file, then we are going to access the file line by line, and every line we are going to split it. We are going to split from this by the spaces. So we will get each word. We will get a list of words, and then we are going to use count function and we are going to use get function to count the particular word, and we will access it word by word. So basically what we are doing here is that we are first slicing out. We are splitting the first line into parts, and then we are using one more for loop for accessing each word of that line and assigning it into the dictionary. So I will tell you how it happened. This is our variable which is used to handle the our file which is hello.txt. Now we have made a dictionary which is counts. Now let's move to the for loop. This is the first for loop, and this for loop is used to access the line, as you can see, for line in file h. Now words equals to line dot split. So what we have did here is that we have taken this line and then we have split into the words. Now for every words for w in words, counts w equals to counts dot get w comma 0 plus 1. So what we are doing here is that for every w in words, for every words, we are storing the word into the count, which is this dictionary, and then we are counting by using the get method. The get method is used in dictionary to get the value pair. Now by doing this, this for loop will continue until we reach our last line. So this for loop will be continued until we reach at our last line of the paragraph, which is this line. And after that, this for loop will be over and we will get a dictionary which is counts here, and it will contain the total number of words. And now this is the second part of our question. Here we want to print the maximum number of words. So first we have made two variable max count and max word, and we have assigned none to it. You can assign 0 also, but since it is Python, I have assigned it none. So what we have used a for loop for word and count in counts.item. What counts.item here is the dictionary. So what is the condition? If max.count, which is none here, is none, or count greater than max count, which is true in this case, so it will get entered here, and word will be copied to max word and count will be copied to max count. And this for loop will continue until we get at the last word. And at last, what we have did is that we have printed the max word and max count. So the word is the and the frequency is 28. So in this whole paragraph, the have been printed maximum number of time with frequency 28. So if you don't want here none, so just remove it, no problem. Just put 0 here and remove this. We don't want this. Well, it's well to go. You'll get the same result, no problem. If your interviewer says that you don't want to display the maximum word, just display the total number of words with their frequency. So in that case, what you are going to do is that you are going to just print the count button, the count. Okay, and here it is. You will get every word with number of frequency, and your question is over. So that was only in this question. Hope you like it, and if you don't understand, please do write in the comment. I will try to explain you, or else I will make a new video. Thank you.